Creativity, technology and a good dose of fun. That's how we created the first Cinema4D soapbox race. In the old days, you would build a soapbox in your garage. We wanted to give it a try in our workspace, Cinema4D. It started with a kickoff, a plan and lots of sketches. The racers got to work developing their soapbox cards. For this, programs like Cinema4D, Substance Painter and Photoshop ran at the same time. From car rigs to coding to the final race, we pushed the limits of Cinema4D. The power of the GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs and the NVIDIA Studio drivers made all of this possible. From start to finish, the entire process was way faster thanks to NVIDIA GeForce RTX.